Hi everyone, this is the cutter. Today we are in our paper bag making machine factory. We show you how to make our paper loop. Okay, first you disconnect the power, and now we show you how to load in the paper coin. So first one is open this one. It's a cover, because in here we have one sensor in here. So you open the cover, and here you can release. Okay, open. Then here you can put out. Then open here. And the loading in here, and this one. Okay, lock. You see this one, don't like lock this way, it's like a reverse. You did lock this way. And then you need with some tool to lock it. In here with one hole, you need some tool to lock it. Maybe very stronger. Okay. Open in here. And then this one is the lock. Okay. And now this is because this machine for double line. This one we already loading in here. You can set the same paper core in here. Put in here, and this one lock. Okay. And here lock. Now we move to loading the paper. Okay. Now we show you how to load in the paper. First, we need to install in here with the mold. Actually, normally you get the machine, we already install the mold in here. Now we just want to show you in here. We have two mold. The size, like this one is 4 mm, 4.5, and this is 4. So if you want to make about 4.5, the loop, you can install the large one in here. And a smaller one in here. And here you can lock it. The screw, you lock it. This one also lock. Okay, another one same. You see, it's large, it's smaller. So the large one installed on the front. The smaller one in the back. Okay. Now open here. Open. And this one you also can open together. So now we show you how to load in the paper. Normally we have two layers. We call this is one for inside, one for outside. And normally you buy the paper, we have one side for shining, another is low shining. We need to keep the shining part in outside for testing. The sample is both sides shining, so no problem. So okay, now we keep, and the outside normally is a little bigger than the smaller one, then the little bigger than the inside. So first we install the inside paper. So we keep it in here. This is inside paper, go in here, and this is for outside. Outside go from here, button, and this was a button, and then you can here. You see, you can cover it inside. And rotary. go through the second hole. Okay, and now we need slowly this cord to the back side. Go, 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 go. Okay, and here you can go, keep it go straight, like this one. Make it go like this way. Is inside, is outside, so you can cover it. It's okay. Then move to, 可以了吗？ Okay, it comes from here, so you can take it. Go this way, and then here also from here, and then here to here. So you can load it more. Okay, here, then here, go. Because it will load it like this way, so you can do this one. 要这样才对 ，like this way. Okay, then use the tap to connect. Okay, now one line is finished. Let's try. Okay, first you press the start, and this is for the speed. You can slowly increase the speed. Okay, you can increase the speed more now. Increase more speed. You see now it's okay, but we can increase more stronger. Now it's not very stronger, so we can increase in here. Okay, we're running machine. We see the sample is not very stronger, so use this button. You can control the blade, the tension. So you increase the tension, here will be more stronger. So how to do? You put this one, you can lock this one. It's like a screw. If you go this way, go this side, it will be more stronger. Okay. Okay, we will show you more. You see, this one, if we increase the tension, the speed here will be slowly. I will increase more. Let's show you sample. You see, no problem. Because the feeding is too small, too slowly. So you can reduce. See, now it's going. So we need to reduce more. Increase little. Okay. Okay, we show now the tension. You see, after you finish, like this one is too soft. Like this one is okay, it's stronger. So the problem may be the tension in here problem. In here, this button to control the plate, the tension. So this like the screw, you go like this rotary. The tension will be stronger. So you see, I show you. If we increase tension, the feeding will be slowly and they will rotary more. So the type will be more stronger. It go like this way. You see now it becomes slowly, right? Increase more, it will be stop. So here is more stronger. Okay, and can release. Okay, it's going. Actually, because we do too much. Now it's soft, so you can increase more. It will be go like this way. Okay, here is to change the tension for the tap, for the loop. And after you're setting the loop the diameter, the tension is okay. If you feel the loop is like if you want to make a 4 mm, it's only 3 mm, you can increase one more layer. We'll show you. Okay, we stop the machine. We see the quality. Open here. You see the loop we feel is the tension is okay now. It's okay, but it's too smaller because we want to make a 4. Now maybe just about 2. So because the paper we use the sink is not enough, so you can increase one more layer. Okay, we can show it now. The finished loop, the tension is okay now, but just the diameter too smaller. So you can increase one more layer in here for the inside. So you can go like this way. It's too much. You didn't release. Maybe go faster. So in here you can keep this one. And here, if you feel this one not touch, you can put down this one. That it can cover the outside. Okay. Increase a little more. Okay, now we stop the machine, we see the result. Open. You see here, this side the diameter is bigger than this one. This is new making. This is old making. You see, diameter is bigger. Okay. And sometimes, if we make a loop, even your tension very high, it will open like this way. 看到这吧 ？Because it will open like this way because the paper is too dry. You need to put some water inside. If you feel after set the tension is okay, but the paper will be easy open because the paper is too dry. So you can find some clothes like this one. Put it in here. And you need to tap it. Keep some water on the top. So you can make sure this one, the cloth is wet. So you can keep the paper is wet. So it's more easy to loop it. Okay, we run the machine. So this here, you need to put something to lock it. And you can increase some water, keep this one in drying. Can you see? Now you see the paper here is wet. Okay? Can you see it here? Now it's wet. 对. Now it's drying, right? We keep the clothes in here. See, now it's wet. Okay. So you can add the water, little. So this is the solution. Okay, but it is broken, right? How to do the connect? You need to, because actually this one is 2 layers. You need to open, you remove 1 layer. You can cut. This one also, see, open. You release 1 layer paper. The 3 layers, no problem. So sand. Here, to do the connect. And you can use the tag to connect. So after the connect here, the diameter is similar, not very big. So it's here can working, no problem. Okay.